In this video, I'll be discussing Euler's method. Well, I have pulled up this page from internet. It's a page of Wikipedia, and here you go. This is the formula: yn plus 1 equal to yn plus h of f of xn comma yn. What is f of x comma y? Well, f of x comma y is the function. Okay, in our example I'm going to take the function as the f of x comma y, the function as y minus x divided by y plus x. Okay, so for our case the function is going to be fx comma y is equal to, what was it, it's y minus x by y plus x. um, let's see if sound okay, record audio, okay, everything is good. Y minus x divided by y plus x. So y minus x divided by y plus x, this is our function. Now what some other information is given here as well. Well, h, the step size, it's given, and that is 0.02, and it says that when x equal to 0, y equal to 1. When x equal to 0, y equal to 1, and find the value when x is equal to, it's given here 0.1. okay, so let's begin. So our x0 and y0, it's x0 is 0 and y0 is 1, so include stdio dot h, increase the size, I hope it's legible. Then hash in hash include conio dot h, then int main return 0. Then what are the values I need? I need x, x0, y0. Let's make it float, x0 comma y0, and what I have to find is x1 and y1. okay, so let's input them. Void input, printf enter x0 and y0. okay, so scanf %f ampersand x0 comma y0. okay, this is done. Input function is ready. Now let's code the function for the answer. So void answer, is it going to have any arguments? I guess no. okay, is it, wait, just let's think. Yep, it's going to have an argument actually. Float, sorry, float float x. Okay, we need to enter h as well, the step size. So printf enter the step size, scanf %h comma ampersand h. I have not written here, so they have to write its step size. Okay, now the answer, well, it's going to be like int I, then for I equal to 0, I is less than um it's going to be x minus x 0 divided by h I plus plus. Okay, okay, now let's begin. Y1 equal to y0 plus something, and that something is h into another something, and that something is the function f of x comma y, and it's not x, it's x0 comma y0. I'm not define the function, so let's define the function here. Float f float x comma float y return something divided by something. The first is, I guess it's x minus y. It's, oh sorry, it's y minus x. Okay, so y minus x and then y plus x. Okay, so this is how I get y1. Then I have to update actually, so x0 equal to x0 plus h, and y0 is equal to y1. See how the updation takes place, and this is it, I guess. This is it. This is how is y1 is getting calculated. So let's call the functions. Printf enter the x term you want you want to find. Okay, and it's going to be float float x, then scanf percent f comma x semicolon. Now again printf the answer is percent f and its answer, and with the argument as x. So let's cross our fingers and let's check. There's an error. Let's see. It says unexpected. Okay, I missed a semicolon here. Okay, what's this now? Invalid use of void expression. Okay, of course. Let's return then let's return float, then just return something here. Return y0. It's not going to matter. Okay, so x0 and y0 I have to enter now. My x0 was 0 and y0 was 1. Okay, that's an error, I guess. I think I know what the error is. It's here in the loop. I was thinking about it actually then. If I typecast it, then still same problem, I guess. um, let's print the value of I and let's check. Okay, some problem here, I guess. um, it's x minus x0, right? It's x minus x0. um, let's change this then. Let's change this to a while loop, with the condition while x0 is less than equal to x1. Let's check. Okay, there's a problem somewhere else, I guess. Not this. Is there a problem here? Okay, I don't understand what the problem lies actually. So let's try to trace it. Here 1, then here 2, then it's also I'm also showing you how you can trace your mistake actually. Okay, then there means there's some problem with the input function, I guess. Oh, I'm so sorry. This is not coming. That's why is it not coming? 0 1. Okay, there's some problem. Okay, it's in the input function. That's why I missed the ampersand sign. Step size, of course, 0.02. Okay, there's some problem here as well. Ampersand 0, 1, 0.02. Okay, it goes on and on. Just stop it. Okay, so it's working, and this is working as well. It's working. Okay, something got screwed up. Why is the keyboard not working? Come on. None of the keys are working. What's this? I'm gonna pause this video at this moment, so I don't want to drag it because I'm finding the error at this moment. Alright guys, I found the bug that was bugging me all this while. You won't believe it. You won't believe it. I wrote scanf %h then %h. That's why it won't take any input after that. How stupid could I get? It was %f and I wrote %h and then everything was haywire. Anyways, something I changed here actually. Actually this input, enter the x you want to find. That's our x1, and that um, that could be inserted in our input function, because yeah, it could be inserted, so inserted here. Anyways, let's check our output. 0 1 0.02 and it was 0.1. Answer I'm getting is 1.1094, and the answer which they are saying is 1.0928. I'm getting 1.1094. Okay, but they're getting a different answer, so let's dig into it. I think I just did one extra step. That's why I'm getting this answer. Let's make it less than. Let's check. Nope. My answer is still the same, and they are getting 0. Sorry, 1.09. But I'm getting 1.109. Okay, so let's dig into it. How much? Let's check the intermediate values. That would give us some clue as to where we made the mistake, where I made the mistake. um okay, let's print the intermediate values. Okay, printf percent d, I'm sorry, percent f, and it's y0. So let's check, just check it. Okay, the first one I'm getting is 1.02, and they are getting 1.02 as well. Okay, the next one I'm getting is 1.0392, and they're getting 1.0392. Okay, then I'm getting 1.0577, and they're also getting 1.0577. Then I'm getting 1.0756, and they're getting 1.0756, and then they're getting the answer 1.0928, and I'm doing one more step, and then I'm getting the answer 1.1094. So I'm doing one extra step, so let's try to fix it. Okay, so there's a problem in our condition, I guess. Let's print the value of x0 as well. X0 is, and then x0, it's y0 is, then okay, 0 1 0.02 0.1 y0. Okay, oh shit. Okay, my next is 0.02 0.04 0.06 0.08 0.1 when x0, oh, what is the condition? X0 is less than x1. My x1 is 0.1, and when it's okay, I okay, um okay, 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 let's do something. Let's do something. I know this can be done in a better way, I guess. I think I'm complicating things, but still, uh I don't know, my head is not working, I guess. If x0 is greater than or equal to x1, then just break out of the loop. Okay, what's the issue? True undeclared, I don't know. True works for Java, but it's not for C. Okay, 1 it works. 0 1, then 0 0.02 and 0 0.1, and the answer is, again I am doing a mistake. Why? uh okay, I'm doing one more step actually. Why it's the same thing actually. This um why is one running when x0 is 1? Why is it running? It should not run, because when x0 is 1 and x1 is also 1, then it should not run, I guess. It's running. uh let's do something. Let's put it at the top. Okay. There's some problem, I guess, because it should not work. I don't know why it's working. Yeah, it's 0.1. X0 is 0.1 and x1 is also 0.1. It should break out at that moment, right? But it's not. Let's go back to our handy for loop. I equal to 0, I plus plus, then the condition is I is less than something, and that something is something divided by h, and that is x1 minus x0. Oh god, now there's this deficiency. God, I don't know what's happening here. I'm gonna pause this video. It's a pretty easy thing actually, but for some reason it's not coming to my mind. Just hold on and just solve this thing, and I'll just get right back to you. Alright guys, I think I figured out what the problem was. um Actually, okay, I converted the while loop into for loop and all those things. I did I equal to x0. First of all, I did I equal to x0, then I less than x1, I plus equal to h. Well, the problem that was happening was, there's a conceptual problem. It's not a problem of the compiler or anything. It's a conceptual problem. What was happening was that, um, if you observe carefully, it was starting like the first iteration is when x is equal to um, 0.2, but I did was I equal to x0 means 0. It should have been 0.2. That's why I was having one extra iteration every time. It would not start from x0. Actually, it would start from x0 plus h, not x0. That's why this problem was happening having. Anyways, just fix it. Like, give I initial is x0 plus h for the while loop also. Like I did was x0 is less than x1. Well, no, well, it should have been like x0 should have been changed actually. I don't know, like, it's best for the, if you use the for loop, but this is a condition like, um but x0 plus h, not x0, then it would work. Okay, so recorded. Let's run it. 0 and 1, steps are 0 0.02 and x1 to find. I want to find 0 0.1, and the output I'm getting, it's 1.0928 is what is given in the book. So the problem is correct. So this is all for this video. Do the thumbs up, if you don't like it, still hit a like, still hit the like button. It won't hurt you, it won't cost you anything. Thank you so much. Have a great day.